Hey, in case you missed it, as of January 15th, insurance companies and health plans are required to cover 8 free over-the-counter at-home COVID tests per person per month. That means a family of 4, all on the same plan, would be able to get up to 32 at-home tests covered by their insurance every month. So how is this gonna work? Well, the best case scenario is that you buy a test wherever you want, online or at a store, and it's paid by your health care plan up front. Worst case scenario, you're going to buy that test wherever you want, and you have to submit the receipt to be reimbursed by your health care plan. We're going to have to see how all of that shakes out. Now, what about finding an at-home test at all? This is rough. If only it was so easy. You look online, they're out of stock, out of stock, out of stock. You go to the pharmacy to get one, and you are met with a sign that says, "Hey, we are sold out." I myself have been in that situation, folks. Have you been in that situation?
I have. When I went to get my booster last week, I also went to see if I could get an at-home test, and there was a big sign in the pharmacy that says, "We are out of stock."
I've seen the signs, but it didn't happen to me when I was looking. So
it happened to me, and so I was kind of resorted to go to one of those places where you pay a bunch of money and then you get the results right then. It's like $125 to get a test, but get the results 10 minutes later, and I needed it that moment. So
you kind of had no choice.
Yep.
All right, well, you could be making yourself crazy running from store to store looking at all those websites or getting a lot of money out of your wallet, like Chad just said. So wouldn't you know, a teenager found a solution for us all. Let me introduce you to Eli. He's from Chicago. He created a website called findacovidtest.org. Here's how he says it works.
It checks, for example, if there is an add to cart button on the page, and if there is an add to cart button, it'll send that to the server so that the server can then tell the users if it's in stock. And that's the key value add this is, because there's a bunch of lists of at-home COVID tests you can buy, but what findacovidtest.org does is lists where you can buy them in stock.
All right, so this allows anyone across the country to find available tests.
brilliant.
14 years old.
I know.
He's brilliant.
He just sounds like he knows everything.
It's impressive, though. I mean, it's a great idea.
Yeah, and when you look on the website, it is not a flashy website, I will tell you. It is very kind of cut and dry, but it works. And he says you can even sign up on the site for an email to alert you when the items are back in stock if they're not in stock at that time, which is kind of cool. I'm going to be putting that info for you in the Two Wants to Know section.